What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw Gotenks. Okay, so today we are going to draw the fusion between Goten and Trunks Gotenks. This is going to be a sketch tutorial. All we need is an HB2 pencil and an eraser. So without further ado, go ahead and draw a perfect square. Each side is 5 centimeters, but you can draw it in any size you want to. We are going to start by drawing Gotenks' face and his hairline. This is going to be a frontal pose. Next, we are going to draw the wrinkles between the eyes right at the center, following up with the eyebrow, and then 3 lines to create the eye, 2 diagonals and the curve underneath. We'll draw the iris slightly to the left side, and then we'll draw the cheek marks right underneath the eye, 2 diagonals and some curves, and we'll draw the bump above the eye and a few lines next to the eyebrow and the sideburn. Awesome, so we'll do the same process for the left side. We'll use the square as a guideline to help us keep the right proportions. Next, we are going to draw the nose. We'll do that by using 8 lines, following the next steps. And then with a very tiny gap from the nose, we are going to draw the mouth using 3 lines and then 1 more line underneath to mark his bottom lip. Next, we are going to draw the ears. We'll start by drawing the shape of the ears, and only then we are going to add the details inside. Also, now we'll get rid of all the unnecessary guidelines. And then we're going to draw the neck and the neck muscles. Then we're going to draw the fluffy things that he has on his vest. We'll first start with the shape of them. It looks like he got some snake around his neck. And then we are going to refine it by adding the creases. will indicate his chest right below the neck muscles. And then we are going to draw his glorious Super Saiyan hair. So first we are going to start by drawing the shape of the hair. Once we got the overall shape of the hair, we can add all the spikes and keep the right proportions. And I'm drawing the spikes by using 2 to 5 lines. Awesome, next we are going to draw some lines in the direction of the spikes, just to add more detail to the hair. And now we are going to shade this joint, but this time we are going to use the cross shading technique, aka cross hatching. But first we are going to mark all the shaded areas for this drawing, and for this piece I want the light source to come from the left side, which means that the right side will appear darker. And now we can start the cross hatching. So as you can see, I'm simply drawing diagonals right next to each other, trying to keep the same gap between the lines and just spreading it all over the shaded areas we marked earlier. Next we're going to add some more lines, but in the opposite direction, and that way we'll get a slightly darker tone. Also, next we are simply going to shade the eyes. Now if you want, you can use a green color pencil, but for this tutorial I'm gonna use the HB2 pencil again, and we'll create a nice gradient, leaving a blank spot at the top left of each eye. That way we'll get a nice highlight. And we are done, everybody! This is how you draw Super Saiyan Gotenks for beginners. This is a sketch tutorial and I hope you guys enjoyed this type of tutorial. Please let me know how you did and if you want me to do more of these types of tutorials. Also, make sure to like this video and subscribe if you're new. I upload new videos every week, 4 new tutorials every week. That's it for today. Keep being awesome as always, and I'll see you on the next video very soon. Peace!